Register at voicethread.com. Click Create and click Upload from my computer. Choose an image and click Open to upload. After the image has been uploaded, click on it and then on Add a title and link. Give it a title, for example, where the topic is dreams, brainstorming sequence about dreams. Then click Comment in the left control bar to record comments either written or spoken. Our example, we started by choosing a written comment, and we typed, "Dear students, this is an interactive mind map. Please feel free to add as many associations that come into your minds when thinking of the topic dreams. Best, Mr. S." After you've typed in your comment, click Save. Click on the play button in order to see your comment. Then click on Share. Then click the Get the Link button and see a small black box which allows you to adjust your privacy collaboration settings. We recommend you tick Allow anyone to view and comment. Then copy the link. With this link, your students can work with Voicethread.